Deruiz, a prominent player in the electric bike industry, has recently introduced its latest innovation, the Deruiz Lapis SUV e-bike, into various European markets. This cutting-edge electric bike boasts a robust full suspension system and a powerful 110 Nm motor, making it an ideal choice for traversing both challenging mountain trails and rugged city roads. The Deruiz Lapis SUV e-bike is equipped with a high-torque Amanda electric motor, allowing it to effortlessly climb steep hills. With a top speed of 28 km/h, this electric bike ensures a smooth and enjoyable ride. Fueled by a 664 Wh lithium battery, the Deruiz Lapis offers an impressive range of up to 145 km on a single charge. This long-lasting battery makes it suitable for extended rides, whether on adventurous trails or urban commutes. The bike's RockShox Duty Silver Solo Air fork with 100 mm of travel at the front and RockShox Monarch RL Air at the rear provides a comfortable and stable riding experience. This full suspension system is developed to absorb shocks and bumps, ensuring a smooth ride across various terrains. The Deruiz Lapis features an LCD screen positioned between the handlebars, providing real-time information on trip parameters and battery status. The system is Bluetooth compatible, enabling riders to connect with their smartphones for added convenience. The e-bike comes with a 10-speed Shimano derailleur gear setup, ensuring precise and efficient shifting. Paired with 27.5-inch Schwalbe Hurricane MTB tires, the Deruiz Lapis delivers optimal traction on different surfaces. Tektro M535 hydraulic disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, enhancing safety and control during descents or sudden stops. Customers have the opportunity to personalize their Deruiz Lapis SUV e-bike with a range of accessories, including fenders, a kickstand, spanner, and a rear rack. This allows users to tailor the electric bike to their specific needs and preferences. The e-bike, weighing 28.4 kilograms, is available in a sleek and singular Cumbrian green colorway, combining functionality with a visually appealing appearance. The Deruiz Lapis e-bike has officially landed in the European market, and eager customers can now acquire this cutting-edge electric bike from dealers across the continent. Priced at €3,299, the Deruiz Lapis offers an enticing blend of advanced features and stylish appearance for electric bike enthusiasts. For customers in Germany, there's an added bonus of free shipment, making the prospect of owning this high-performance e-bike even more appealing. However, for those in other European Union markets, a small shipping fee will apply. Despite this additional cost, the Deruiz Lapis SUV e-bike remains an attractive choice for riders seeking a seamless and comfortable journey through varied terrains. In summary, the Deruiz Lapis e-bike represents a significant advancement in the realm of electric bikes, offering a compelling combination of power, range, and comfort. With its versatile features and customization options, it caters to both thrill-seeking off-road enthusiasts and urban commuters alike. If you found the video useful, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and good luck.